Evening everyone, Brendan from Starpoint Australis. Well, doesn't this look different? No longer is the mad scientist stuff behind me. I got into the workshop over the weekend and I built myself a new desk. So a nice little work desk here. You'll see this feature quite prominently. We've got a lot of things still to do in here. We're going to look at doing a nice big background here so that it's got the logo, the spaceman, and all sorts of little bits and pieces that you will be very familiar with now. We've got a couple of delinquents in here that are squatting. So the 10-inch from Dan. Didn't get much done last week with that because I was busy in here. And I got the 12-inch just sitting up there. The size difference is actually quite noticeable. So, updates for this week. like I made mention, this was the main update. The Starpoint Studio, we're going to call this. The focuses I haven't done too much work on. However, Dan and I have been working a lot to do with the firmware. You know, just taking out those last little bugs, putting in the last little features before it goes to the V1 retail. So we do have beta and alpha testing that has been going on for quite a while now. What else have we got? The tents, they're still just burbling away in the background. There's not much to update you with on that side of it, but still hopefully that they all come in at the right times. What else have we got? Look, we've got so many little things. I mean, you know, just to give you an idea, Dan, Jess and myself, we've started weekly meetings to talk through all these bits and pieces. There's some, like for our Australian people that are watching this, we've got an amazing, we're figuring out the details at the moment, but we've got an amazing little thing that we're working on. And yeah, I can't wait to bring that up to you guys, but that'll be next month or two. I think another part is that Starpoint Australis as a business has been nominated in Business of the Year award from our local municipality, so Joondalup, which is, I think, you know, that's a win. You know, we've worked hard to get to this point, and you know, look, this is just a little tick along the way to say that we are doing something right. So that's coming up soon. Other than that, it's just wet, windy, wild. We still haven't even really had clear skies, so I can't get out and test. I want to play around with the 18-inch Newt, and look, we'll be releasing the Discord server live to everyone shortly. And in there, we will put up little things like, hey guys, in this Tuesday, you know, we'll be testing on Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Jump online and you'll be able to see us testing and mucking around with the like the big telescopes. You know, Dan's got a little portable observatory. It's a little observatory roll-off roof, so that will be pretty cool to play around with. Well, look, I'll leave you with that short update. Hopefully you have a wonderful weekend coming up, and we will talk to you soon.